Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily add a back to top or scroll back to top in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on apps, and when you're in your apps you want to click here back to top, just write it there, and you can choose between this one here, which is like I prepared it, or this one here, but I honestly like this one, so just add. And let's go to my site, continue, yes, connect, done. And now let's see. Okay, install applications. Okay, and here we got it. Really simple, really easy, and this is how you can edit it. You can change the icon color if you would like to, like black, and you just edit to, I don't know, the page you want. Let's go here. About, oh, I didn't want to click here. Yes. So, okay, we got it here. And again, let's add this. Yep, delete. But this is how we can do it. It's quite simple, quite easy, I think. Like I can't scroll here, so it's not possible. And yeah, this is how we do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll try to help you and give you some feedback. And yeah, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.